Right, and we're live right now. Yeah. Hey guys, good evening. This is evening by my time, but of course, if you're watching this in the morning, good morning to you. And if it's afternoon by your time, a very good afternoon to you. I hope you're having a nice time and having fun with your day. So, what I wanted to do today is go ahead and test how NDI would work with Microsoft Teams because that feature was just released a few days ago. I think coming to more than a week now or so, and I wanted to test it out and see how it works. So I'll be inviting my friend Sam to test it out with me today. So I'll have him on the Teams call in a bit. So let me just go ahead now and share my screen. I'll be using my second machine here for the demo. So I'll just switch over to that screen now. I should go back and learn how to use OBS because it's been some time since I streamed. Well, this is my face. This is how I look. I should have shown that earlier on. But of course, if you're seeing some frame drops, do not worry because I'm recording this also. So of course, I'll put it up once the stream is done. But I wanted to test this out with Sam, and we'll see how that works out. So let me go over to my screen right here. And so the first thing you need to do is go over to the Teams Admin Center. So this is the Office M365 admin portal. So what I need to do is go over here and go to the Teams admin portal. So to just ask me to log in. Okay, it didn't ask me to log in actually because I've been logged in on the M365 portal already. So what I need to do is go over to meetings, I think, and then go over to meeting policies. So when I'm in meeting policies, what I need to go ahead and do is go over to global org right over here, and then look for NDI stream settings. I think it's somewhere here. Is it here? Is it meeting settings or meeting policies? Okay, it's right here. Allow NDI streaming right here. So I just need to enable that box, and then what I need to do next is I'll now have to go over into Microsoft Teams and enable this. So I'll just minimize this admin center now. So what I need to do over here, I'm signed in already with the same account. So, and I have enabled it for my global organization. So I'll go over here to settings, and I'll go over to permissions down here, and I would enable NDI. And I guess that is all I need to do to get this up and running. So once I've enabled NDI, let me be sure I actually save that setting in Office 365, M365, don't mind me. Office 365 comes to my head all the time. So I need to save these settings actually so that everybody can do NDI easily. So now I got it all set. Now, the thing I needed to have done beforehand was to install all the NDI plugins and install NDI tools on my system so it's ready to work. I've done that already previously, so I didn't need to worry about that. So I'll minimize this and go back to Teams, and I'll close the settings page. Let me just be sure all my PC settings are right. My devices settings, let me be sure it's okay. So I'll be using this headset to connect with Sam. Of course, you'll still be hearing my audio right there. So my camera wouldn't show because I'm using it also for that. So okay, let me actually switch to use the main device camera right here. I'm not sure. Okay, that's the device camera right there. So I'll just hang this on my head right here. So that setting is right. So I'll just use the Meet Now feature. I'll just call it Teams NDI with Sam, and then I'll click on join now from here, and then I'll just copy the join link and then share it with him on WhatsApp where it will join. I think I need to properly format that link, so let me just open up Notepad. Just a moment. The link thing sometimes has a mind of its own. So I'll just go ahead and paste in Microsoft Word before I bring it out. So I need to get that link out somehow. All right. So I need to do a control click in Microsoft Word first. Just a moment while I get that set it out. Okay, I will just copy the hyperlink. I think I got it now, and paste it in Microsoft Teams for him to join. But of course, if you want to test this live with me, I could just put it on Twitter and see how many people can have fun with me today. So let me just see. So while I wait for Sam to join, if he's online, while I wait for him to join, so what I'll need to do is go over into OBS. So I'll use the OBS on the same laptop. And I currently have my main camera looking at him. That's the Logitech C920 right here. So what I'll do is I'll go over and add an Ndi source right there. I'll just use the same screen to perform every operation I want to do. So I'll need to add, oh, I forgot. I can't use NDI in OBS on the system. So let me switch over to actually go ahead and use Streamlabs OBS instead. So I'll exit OBS here. For some reason, I can't use NDI on this machine, but on my other machines, I could properly use it. So I'll switch over to Streamlabs OBS here and use the NDI feature in there because that was the alternative I found out for using that. So we'll just wait for a moment for the PC to get itself. I'm just closing some stuff. Okay, so this is Streamlabs OBS, and what I'll do is Sam online. Oh, he was waiting outside the org. I'm sorry. Hello. How you doing? How's it going right there? Yeah. I like your t-shirt. Yeah. All right. So we got Sam on. I'm on here. So what I'm doing is I'm using the two machine stream because I realized when I'm using my main HP laptop, it just decides to have a mind of its own. So I'm doing NDI inside here. So I'm using NDI and NDI. Yeah. And it seems to have been working quite well. There's about a 1 second delay. But my main audio is actually on the main machine, but just transmitting the screen over to the encoding rig. So now, so as you can see on the stream, Sam is on the right, Streamlabs OBS is on the left, and I have enabled Teams NDI. I've set it up in the admin org, and I hope it goes well. Now this is just testing the devil live. Okay, so I got the okay, so let me try and first put you on. So I got NGV download MS Teams right here. Let me see if that works. Boom, and you show up. You showed up. You showed up. You showed up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm even getting your audio. Okay, so let me also add myself in there as an NDI source, of course, not as the camera source. So let me add another NDI source. I'll call this NDI Teams Me. What I might even also try to do is do a screen share. Okay. So I'm gonna do a normal one. Probably it should. Yeah, that's me right there. Allow the acceleration, of course, so things don't lag too much. Okay, waiting for Sam to come back. So pretty much looks good, to be honest. And I hope it doesn't actually lag on my machine, as in all the machine, what's it called? The one Skype used to angle my system resources and all that. I hope that doesn't happen. Also, what I could probably do is even add an NDI source on my main machine. But of course, I wouldn't be able to show that live. Sizing is a little bit of problem to me, but of course, I'll get it right sometime. Okay, Sam is joining again. Just message me on WhatsApp. But of course, if a feed goes off, I think it just captures the last frame and puts it right on top there. So let me move this down here. So Sam is on top and I'm by the side. And pretty much looks okay. Let me switch my lights to red. Danger mode. All right. And this looks good, to be honest. And I think it's way better than Skype's one. I'm not sure. And I think the latency is good. It's pretty good. The latency is pretty good. Now, if I'm to do it across machines, I'm not now sure how that would work. So let me try and experiment. I hope I don't run things. So I'm just gonna switch my mouse profile here and add an NDI source. I'll call that. Yeah, I know my system resources have been ogled up. Okay, let me remove this one. Just waiting for Sam to join back in. And if I scroll down on the NDI sources, I needed to have said this before I actually started the stream because it's using the highest priority on the system. And I see Teams Local here. Nice. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, so that is the feed that's the Teams feed right here in my face. That's the coming up. I'm not sure how fast that is. But well, it works. To be honest, it works. I'm not now sure if the audio is actually going out on the stream, but yeah, it works. Okay, Sam is back. Welcome back. All I see is black, 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 black. I see black. I just say black. Yeah, the camera source. Yeah, this integrated camera saves you. Okay, let me switch my mouse profile over here and reset the OBS, the source here, because your name has changed. Active speaker, I think. Yeah, that looks good. I get you, I get me. And the latency is not bad, to be honest. I think it's way better than Skype soon. Or maybe it's just my machine. Yes. Really? So I'm the active speaker now. It's still showing you. Yeah. But my problem with this is it's resizing. I don't know why. Exactly. Um, mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I can add you specifically because your name changed from S Andrai to Samuel Andrai, so I needed some refresh to happen. So I will, yeah, it's pretty smooth. Oh, that's true. Wow. Oh, that's crazy, man. Hmm. The audio is actually also going into the NDI feed. I can see the volume bars. Oh, no, that would be desktop audio. La la 1 2 1 2 la 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 1 2. So I'm trying to share my screen also and see if NDI would see it. 1 2 1 4. Mine actually shows the audio and it pretty much looks good. Now I'm not monitoring it, but it looks good with the audio bars coming up. Well, I'm not using OBS on the other machine. I'm using Streamlabs OBS. Yeah, I should be able to just track the audio with it. Yeah, Teams local would be you. Oh, that's my screen. I'm not seeing it on my own hand, which is weird. You're seeing Teams? You should be seeing Twitter. Okay, that's weird. Okay, let me share the whole screen then. All of screen one. Aha, so I should be sharing the whole screen if I wanted to try that at all. Yeah, so you try to share your screen and let's say if it will come as one of my NDI sources. Because I'm not seeing my own screen as NDI source here. Okay, I can see your screen now. Let's see what that feels like. Does Yeah, for some weird reasons. It just keeps resizing. Some reason I cannot see the what's it called? The shared resource on my okay, I can see it now. It was just taking its time. Yeah. Now I see it. Now I see it. Let me just resize that and bring it somewhere here. Now this looks really, really smooth, to be honest. This is slick. This is too slick to be good, to be true rather. Now let's hope it's not permanent. Okay, I think maybe it's just for the first time. Oh, it resized you. Okay, I think it's my mouse moving around. So I'm trying to move everything around here. Oh, it's resized. Oh, it's just taking you. It's resizing you a little to be smaller, and then you just pick it up again. Okay, let me try this. Okay, it's you that is there. That is weird. Okay, let me make this active speaker and see if anything will change. No, it's still resizing. It's still resizing itself. You resized on my end. Yeah. It just keeps resizing you. Yeah, look how will be you. Mm-hmm. Don't resize again. I even tried locking it. So I think we just have to decide, maybe set different scenes for the different scenarios. We could try that. Well, at least we're sure the NDI thing works. The other things we just figuring out how to make it, be pretty solid. Hmm. I like the fact that there's no Teams branding on it. Was that your audio? Yeah. Yeah. But of course, it works, which is fine. At least now I know I can finally uninstall Skype. So the Skype that comes with Windows 10 wouldn't work. So what I did was I downloaded the desktop Skype itself, and that seemed to work for a while until I started opening up my system resources, and then decided to just get rid of it. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, that'll be a lot more fun. I can see the network is having frame drops, which is it's not a problem now that the system can record and stream at the same time. I'm actually very happy for that one. And it's doing 4K actually, 4K streaming and recording at the same time. Oh, 1440p. I think the reason why this is so is because almost everyone in the house is online. So watching YouTube, I think my house will probably be on Netflix. Uh, yeah, I pretty much understand why that is happening. But normal day when everybody is out, pretty much smooth, all green, boom, boom, boom. But lockdown 2.0 is coming. Nobody's going anywhere anytime soon. Okay. This was fun. By past night. Oh, sorry. You're 1 hour behind us. Well, you know it's in the blood. It's all right. It's all right. Oh, this was nice. Yeah. Now that you're on glasses, it made you bigger. Now you're smaller. Oh, hold on. Try to come closer to the camera. I want to see something. No. I think move back. I think maybe it's just trying to. No. I was just guessing. It didn't work. That didn't work. That didn't work. All right. Alrighty. My regards to Frank and family and everybody in Accra. You too, man. Peace. All right. So that was it, guys. That was fun. To be honest, I didn't think it would work, but of course it did. And I think I'm really gonna stick to using it. To be honest, it seems it's a very viable option for streaming now, especially when I have guests on the show to bring on. And wow, that was it. That's what I wanted to test. Okay, I think now the network is back to normal because I was coping up everything on both ends. So I know exactly what to start doing now. I'll reduce my stream quality when I'm having guests on the show so I don't not one system will just go up everything up. Right. So that's it, people. Thank you for coming and watching. I'll see you in another video. Peace.